So right now guys, this is day 4? 4 na ba? Day 3. Basta yun. So we're on the way to Gion, Japan guys.
Naka-blur ba
Ayan,
ako?
blur niyo yung mukha guys. Yan. Tapos yan. Balik ulit. Yan. So right now guys, nandito tayo sa May Bara. Sobrang ganda dito insan. Sobrang ganda. Ayoko na umuwi. Galit sa akin asawa ko pag ganun. That's the Gion, Japan guys. Ishikawa. So ngayon, sasakay tayo sa Super Grand Via sa Pilipinas, Grand Via dito sa Japan.
Panis yung Grandia mo, Mark, ha?
Hindi pa patalo, nakatono yun eh. Ito hindi nakatono eh. Sa akin pa may third row pa eh. May trailer hawak. Pilipino tayo, hindi tayo mapatalo.
We are here with Gion Nishikawa from Gion, Japan. Big shop, big warehouse.
Yeah, good. It's good. It's yummy.
I don't eat vegetables, pero I like it.
Sarap po.
Masarap, di ba?
Cedric, dapat dinala mo yung birth certificate ko eh.
Bakit?
Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ko eh. Sobrang sarap guys. It's not yummy. It's super yummy.
Guys, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan ng restaurant.
At kung nasan tayo?
At kung, nasa Shiga tayo, pero hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan ng restaurant. Pero it's over 100 years old na raw. It's a family business. Pucha, ayoko maubos yung kinakain ko eh.
So guys, punta kayo dito.
Tayo doon, hanapin nyo na lang itong building. Hindi ko alam. I-Google Translate nyo na lang yung...
JDML guys, approved. So, as you can see, Uwo you.
Ha?
Uwo you.
Ano yun?
You know. That's the Uwo you.
Welcome lang ko eh.
Oo nga mga welcome mat.
Uyo. Ayun.
Oh,
Uyo, tama.
galing.
Uwo you.
Uyo.
Uwo.
When you go here at Shiga guys, look for this building. Look for this building.
Top secret.
Sorry guys. It's a top secret guys.
Tayo lang.
Just for us, just for the locals.
Going to Gion Detailing Concept here in Japan. The original. The first one.
Oh, grabe, sobrang linis. Wag ko masabi. Super ganda. Minegos nila ang daan. Tignan mo man daan insan. So right now guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Gion, Japan. And let's have a
shop tour sa Gion Detailing Concept. The first one in the whole world. We have here the owner and our friend Nishikawa. He will give us a tour of the facility. Nishikawa is going to tour us around his Gion Detailing Concept. Okay.
This is the trims guys. This is coated and
Not coated. Common problem also in the
Black
Philippines.
trims.
So, black trims, diba? Oxidation and wear and tear. Hindi pa too late. Kaya pa i-restore with ceramic coating ni Gion Trim.
3 years ago.
3 years?
Yes. 3 years ago.
Guys, legit guys. Legit, 3 years
No
ago.
change.
O, kaya ba ng cut. Shirt so small. The Gion shirt so small.
Only Cedric can fit.
Only him.
Barely.
He only.
Him.
Yeah, because thin guy.
Me. Not so much.
guys, it's legit.
Sinare sa amin ni Nishikawa yung price. Ayan, di ba Mark? Sinare sa amin ni Nishikawa yung price. Then we ask the price. Ang price nito is the same price
NC 300.
si 300.
Parang mas maganda na naging jack. This design is by approval by the Gion headquarters.
Gion headquarters.
Hindi basta-basta magtayo ng ganitong shop.
Tingnan nyo, ang linis ng shop. Kayo, drive clean, mahiya naman kayo. Ang dumi ng shop nyo, ang daming blades sa sahig.
New product available
Very soon. Ay, meron na.
Call Joshua.
siya legit to. Pero yung test panel nila, how many days here?
2 years.
2 years na ron dito, hindi masyadong nadumi. Sa atin baka iba na kulay.
Overnight lang, mas masahol pa dito eh.
The Philippines, we live 2 years. No maintenance. Hood will be gone. Hood will be stopped. Ninakaw na yung hood.
Magandang nakakapasyal tayo sa ganitong mga shop. Nakikita natin yung things to improve sa natin. Kasi tingin natin okay na eh. Okay na yung shop natin eh. Mayabang na. Maganda na compare sa other shop. Pero pag nakapunta ka sa ibang lugar.
Pero yung sa atin, marami tayong client. Di mo marami, pero pucha.
Grabe to.
Ang linis eh, parang
masarap magtrabaho.
akala mo hindi
To think guys, isang tao lang nagbabantay nito.
This year.
This year.
March 27 and 28.
Okay.
Are you coming here?
I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. I just came here.
Nako boss,
Grabe.
may invitation ka na.
naman tayo. Wala nang natatapos sa mga projects ko.
Boss, mas masarap maging influencer.
Kesa maging
Installer.
Installer.
So there you have it. Nakita niyo na yung shop nila. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang
yung shop
ganda.
lang, may isa pang shop. Pero ito yung Gion Detailing Concept.
Yes,
Ngayon,
sir.
puntahan muna natin. Punta kami ngayon sa office niya. Kasi marami pa siya ibang businesses eh.
You should finish this video.
Watch to the end.
So follow nyo guys, Gion Quartz Japan.
Gion Quartz Japan. Yeah, follow nyo. Gion Daichi. Shout out. Hello.
Shout out, Gion Daichi.
Follow nyo. Sila gumagawa dito.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I hope to see
Thank
you
you.
soon again.
Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you. Nice.
Tara, punta tayo sa trabaho niya. Dahil pa niyang ibang business. Big time.
Pucha pare, this is heaven.
All the cars, you sell all the cars. You sell all the cars.
Yes. Or
All. How about for rent? Same car.
no rental.
No rental.
No rental.
Not yet. Okay.
Is it how many car?
Here?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Yes.
How many? I think. Maybe 60 cars. 60.
You have how many?
Oh, that you own.
I own.
Yes.
Only one. Only one.
One.
One car only.
How many cars?
Yeah,
that's a lot.
Little. Just a few. Just 3, 4.
3, 4. Okay. I'm winner.
Ay, okay. Alam ko, tinanong ako, how many cars? Sabi ko, 60.
60 nga eh, kaya nagulat ako.
Ganyan doon sa
JM, panis.
X6.
Shout out,
out.
boss JM. May X16 dito, oh. Hindi lang ikaw. Uy, may
Ayun.
secret stash, panis.
Oh.
Legit. You like BMW?
M3.
M3. Wagon. Touring wagon. NM8. Pucha, idol. You did install? You're the one install?
Yes, I'm installed.
Guys, parang ako lang. Pero wala akong M3. Pero siya yung may-ari ng shop, siya rin nag-install. Panis. Ano? Panis.
No exhaust. Dali na natin si Boss Kimi dito.
There's more?
Yes.
There's more?
Wait guys, there's more. Grabe guys. Kaya sometimes ang sarap mag-travel kasi ang dami mong nakikitang bagong mga rare na auto, ganyan.
The new one.
Yes.
May M2 rin pala siya guys, panis. Have you tried install PPF?
No.
You should try. This car give me
I put on
nightmares.
AirPods only.
This car give me problem. I did one already. Bulk install, not computer car.
Very difficult.
Give me nightmares.
Okay.
Very, especially rear bumper.
Okay.
Very difficult.
Yun yung gusto niyang yabang doon.
Na ako mag-guys Nasasanay na ako mag-guys. Guys!
Ilan ba property nito? Boss, ba't parang layo na pupunta
Tara
na?
tayo sa susunod yung property. Lahat ng kotse na yung kanya. Pero pangbenta. So, ano siya, para siyang successful version ni Mark Marcaida. Sabi ko, idol ko siya, parang ikaw siya.
Pag ako boss, naging successful, buyo ka sa akin.
Garahe pala siya. And you say you're kuripot. Oh, like you had GTR behind you?
Oh yeah, accident.
Accident din eh.
Ayan o. Baka nag-drive din yung GTR sa likod niya. Mas malaki pala problema nito eh.
Grabe oh.
Binangga din siya. GTR din yung nasa likod daw.
GTR din ang bumangga oh. Saddle to stop. Whose fault? Then high ace daw pala ang bumangga.
High ace.
Oh, high ace.
So you say you have 7 cars.
Oh, Ferrari, McLaren. What's your favorite car? This one.
This one. How many girlfriends?
If I had car like this, I'll have 10 girlfriends, including my wife. And it's okay, she'll understand.
He's asking for help.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Don't break it.
Hard to get inside.
In the hip? In the hip?
Ganun pala eh.
Kaya ako hindi bumibili ng ganitong kotse, mahirap lumabas siya pumasok.
Yun lang yung rason.
Yun yung rason. Shigawa, you want? I put PPF.
Okay. Please,
Okay.
please.
Please, not...
I said, please.
You said Philippines here? What do you want? Me come here? You said, me come here.
Okay.
Kasi Philippines will cost...
Okay.
You pay.
That's trouble.
I can install PPF. for you.
Okay. Please.
Guys, magbibibip. Ay, panis. Panis.
Tristan Laksa goes to Japan. Let's go!
Let's go!
When
I'll schedule.
When come in?
Don't try this guy!
Pinol yung bluff ko.
Don't try this guy!
Let's talk.
Let's
I'll
talk.
get back to you. I want to do it. I really want to do it. And I'll do bulk install. Bulk install.
Get it?
Yeah, I'll do bulk install.
Okay.
Para
You'll see, you'll see.
Oh, yeah.
Nakaka-depress naman tong trip natin.
Harakiri na tayo nga.
Parang tinanong ko, ilan yung kotse ko, sabi ko isa. Hindi ko na sinabi kung ano eh.
So guys, yung mga ganitong mga nakakausap natin, inspiration natin to sa buhay. Sooner or later, kailangan natin mag-illegal. Di ba rin ako?
30,000 Japanese yen?
Yes. Very, very cheap.
How come so cheap?
I'll buy 5.
Bumabawi, ang dami nakitang kotse.
Secure yung trailblazer na pagka sa likod eh.
Sobrang down to earth pa rin nila. To think na sobrang yaman nila. Pero how they welcome guests, iba talaga. Kaya laging number 1 sa puso natin, Japan.
No use.
No use?
Are you want?
You want donation? You're selling that?
Yeah. You gift for you.
Whoa! Sabi niya, I don't use anymore. Gift for you.
Yes. You want 488 Ferrari? You want? Do you want?
Do I want?
Yes. You want? Do you want?
What do I want?
Do you want?
I'm getting scared. What do you
Do you
mean?
want 488 Ferrari?
Do I want to
Do you
work
want?
to have one?
Do you want? No buy.
No buy?
Oh. Do you want? Yes or no?
Yes. Of
Yes.
course.
Okay. I gift for you. Bump.
Puta ka na para ako doon eh. Mark, okay ito natin. Ano bang i-gift daw niya sa akin? Pero bumper lang. Wala nagparing ako doon guys.
Wala patunayan guys. Mas malupit ang mga Japanese kaysa sa Pilipino.
Akala ko magkakapirari na ako.
Nastan.
Nag-isip na ako agad. Sino bang konta ko sa customs?
You're good friend. I gift for you. Yes.
Thank you. Lalabanan ko na si Lalabanan. All new. Oh, manda ka na. Kain na mo na, away na lang.
So kinabahan si Boss Tris doon. Nawala yung yabang ng Pinoy.
Ano ba?
Tumataas yung heart rate ko dito eh.
You forget bumper.
Guys, inaalok niya akong gawin yung McLaren niya na 765. Pag-isipan ko, sabi ko, hindi ko pa alam. Tingnan natin, pero very, very interested ako. Kasi sabi niya, narinig daw niya, ako daw ang number 1 installer sa Pilipinas.
Kanina niya narinig.
Sa akin din.
So, grabe tong shop ni Boss. Office AZ.
Nakaka-insecure eh, nakakalungkot.
Tinanong kami, ilang kotse nyo? Isa, tatlo. I have 7 cars. Yung pala 7 quality cars. Grabe yun!
7 supercars.
Saan tayo punta?
Kyoto!
Okay, let's go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I'm wrong. Should have done better than this. Please, I'll be strong. I'm finding it hard to resist.
Morning!
Kala ko nasa Australia na ako kanina.
So show me what I'm looking for.
Ngayong trip na to, ang dami nating nabangan na project.
Very, very thankful dito sa bagong best friend. Magkaroon ng Ferrari na bumper. Ishikawa, thank you. Bawi kami. If you visit Manila, let's go.
Actually, pumunta ka dito para to have inspiration,
To learn.
to
Yes,
learn
to learn,
something
to learn.
new. Sila kasi 8 years na ahead. Tayo, nasa 3 years na lang. Kumbaga tayo, meron tayong ini-aim. Hindi sa pagiging inggit eh. Kumbaga, inspired.
Kaya nga ako parang feeling ko talaga Japanese at heart ako.
Thank you for everything. Thank you. Big brother.
Yeah. See you.
That's
Ha?
okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
See you next.
April,
We
May.
see each other very, very soon.
Okay. Next week?
Next week.
No, maybe not next week, but very soon.
Next month or May.
Again, thank you so much. It really means so much.
Forget for you.
Almost.
Oh, kami naman.
Cedric,
Yes.
Chick Boy.
Ah, yes.
I'll see you very soon, okay?
Okay. Okay. Have a good trip.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye, goodbye.
I will miss you. Bye-bye.
So guys, this is our last night here in Japan. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga kalokohan namin. Kain, food trip, and we visit mga shops sa Japan, mga partner shops. First, yung Kyocera. Second, Gion Japan.
Gion Japan.
Iba yung iba yung Japanese hospitality.
Oh, medyo excited ba?
Pero ito lang masabi ko guys, loyal sila sa trabaho.
Para sa ekonomiya daw yun.
Okay.
Para sa ekonomiya. Kaya nga ako parang feeling ko talaga Japanese at heart ako eh.
So yun, this will end our vlog. Follow Drive Clean PH,
Gion Philippines.
Gion Philippines,
Gion Quartz Japan.
Gion Japan. So yun, we're happy to
Mark Marcaida.
Yeah, Mark Marcaida, follow nyo. This will end our vlog and see you on the next vlog. Let's go!